So what you're gonna do is start up the engine. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna use this pad here. Anyway, if you look at here, what you can do is just push anything on this, then it should display some, like that one's it. Right now we are there. Music, car, there, setting. So you want to go there, push enter. You go down. To vehicle setting. Hold the button down. Go down. Enter. Go up. Push enter. And that's it. And if you want to go back, you push back. Back. And you can go to wherever you want now. Wherever you want to set it to. Let's just leave it here. And that's it.